Hello friends, today I am going to show you the LED board which can be connected to the Arduino Uno board. As you can see, the LEDs light up one after the other, making the Twitter logo. For this I have connected each LED to the digital pin available on the Arduino. So this LED is connected to digital pin 0, this one to digital pin 1, this one to digital pin 2 and so on. And this LED is connected to digital pin 13. Also have connected 330 ohm resistor in series with the LEDs to limit the current flowing through the LEDs. This potentiometer is used to adjust the delay before turning on the next LED. If we take a look at the connections here, you can see that all the digital pins from 0 to 13 are used to turn on the LEDs. The wiper of the potentiometer is connected to the analog pin, which is right here, A4. The A4 pin is internally connected to the SDA pin right here. Also the A5 pin is internally connected to the SCL pin, which is the last pin on this header. One of the extreme terminal of the potentiometer is connected to the A reference pin here. By default 5 volt is available on A reference pin, and of course the third terminal of the potentiometer is grounded. This is the schematic showing all the connections I have made. All the digital pins from 0 to 13 are connected to LEDs through 330 ohm resistors. The A4 pin is connected to the wiper of the potentiometer, and the other two terminals of the potentiometer are connected to plus 5 volt and ground. That was all about the hardware and the connections. Now let's take a look at the code which is running. So this is the code. As you can see, the code is really simple. The setup function is executed once and it is used to configure the digital pins. This pin mode function is in the for loop. So initially I is 0. So digital pin 0 will be configured as output. After that I will increment by 1. So in the next iteration digital pin 1 will be configured as output. So in this way, in the 13th iteration digital pin 13 will be configured as output. This pin mode function will configure the analog pin A4 as input. The loop function will turn on the LEDs. It will be executed again and again. Initially all the LEDs are turned off using this digital write function in the for loop. In the second for loop, the analog read function will read the voltage at A4 pin, which is from 0 to 5 volt, and it will store a value from 0 to 1023 millisecond in the D variable. This digital write function will turn on the LEDs one after the other, and lastly the delay function will introduce some delay of value D millisecond depending on the potentiometer shaft. Well, that was all about the code. Thanks for watching.